Have you ever wondered if your money could be working harder for you? In today's financial landscape, where every dollar counts, choosing the right place to stash your savings can make a significant difference. We're talking about money market accounts, or MMAs, a hybrid that offers the best of both savings and checking accounts, often with higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts, and typically more flexibility than certificates of deposit. But with so many options out there, how do you pick the perfect one? Today, we're diving deep into a head-to-head battle between three prominent contenders in the money market account arena: Patriot Bank, CIT Bank, and First Internet Bank. We're going to break down their offerings, dissect their features, compare their rates, and ultimately, help you decide which one might be the best fit for your financial goals. So, if you're looking to optimize your savings and get the most bang for your buck, stick around, because this is going to be a comprehensive showdown you won't want to miss. First up, let's set the stage. What exactly is a money market account, and why should you even consider one? Unlike a standard savings account, which typically offers lower interest rates and might have stricter withdrawal limits, an MMA often comes with check writing privileges and a debit card, offering more liquidity. Think of it as a supercharged savings account. You get competitive interest rates, often tiered based on your balance, combined with relatively easy access to your funds. This makes them ideal for emergency funds, short-term savings goals, or simply holding cash that you might need to access periodically, but still want to see grow. Now, let's introduce our contenders. In one corner, we have Patriot Bank. Patriot Bank is a regional bank with a focus on local communities in Connecticut and parts of New York. While they do have physical branches, they've also expanded their online presence, offering competitive rates on their digital products. Their money market deposit account is what we'll be scrutinizing today. In the opposite corner, we have CIT Bank. CIT Bank is an online-only bank, a division of First Citizens Bank. They've built a reputation for offering strong online savings and money market accounts with competitive yields and a streamlined digital experience. Their money market account is a popular choice for those comfortable with managing their finances entirely online. And finally, stepping into the ring, we have First Internet Bank. As their name suggests, First Internet Bank is also a purely online institution. They were one of the first truly online-only banks, pioneering the digital banking space. They're known for their innovative features and competitive rates across a range of deposit products, including their money market savings account. Now that we know who's in the fight, let's talk about what truly matters when choosing a money market account: the interest rates. After all, the primary goal of an MMA is to earn interest on your savings. Starting with Patriot Bank, their money market account offers tiered interest rates. As of June 2025, their rates vary depending on your balance. For balances under $25,000, you might see an APY around 0.5%. This increases to 1.25% for balances between $50,000 and $99,999.99. If you have $100,000 to $249,999.99, it jumps to 2.5%. For those with $500,000 or more, it goes up to 3% APY. It's important to note that these rates are variable and can change. While these rates are decent, especially for higher balances, they aren't always the absolute highest on the market, particularly for lower tiers. Next, let's look at CIT Bank. Their money market account currently offers a more straightforward APY of 1.55% across all balance tiers, provided you meet their minimum opening deposit of $100. Compared to Patriot Bank, for smaller balances, CIT Bank might actually offer a better return. However, it's worth noting that CIT Bank also has other savings products like their Platinum Savings or Savings Connect accounts, which often boast significantly higher APYs, with Platinum Savings reaching up to 4% for balances over $5,000 and Savings Connect at 3.9%. So, while their dedicated money market account has a decent, consistent rate, it might not be their top-earning savings product overall. Finally, we turn to First Internet Bank. Their money market savings account offers a tiered APY that can be quite competitive, especially for larger balances. As of recent data, they offer around 3.61% APY for balances below $1 million and an impressive 4.42% APY for daily balances above $1 million. This places First Internet Bank as a very strong contender for those with substantial savings who want to maximize their earnings. Even their lower tier rate of 3.61% is considerably higher than what CIT Bank offers on its dedicated MMA and often surpasses Patriot Bank's rates for similar tiers. So, when it comes to interest rates, First Internet Bank seems to take the lead, especially for larger balances, with CIT Bank offering a respectable, consistent rate for its MMA, and Patriot Bank being a good option for those with higher balances seeking a more traditional bank with a local presence. But rates aren't the only factor. Fees and minimums can quickly eat into your earnings. Let's delve into those. Patriot Bank's money market account has tiered minimums to earn higher rates, starting with a minimum opening deposit. They also have various account types with different fee structures, so it's crucial to examine their specific money market account terms for any monthly service fees or balance requirements to avoid them. Some accounts may waive fees with a certain minimum balance or activity. CIT Bank's money market account generally has a low minimum opening deposit of $100. They are known for being relatively fee-friendly, often with no monthly service fees, making them attractive for those who want to avoid nickel-and-dime charges. However, like most MMAs, they typically adhere to Regulation D, which limits certain withdrawals and transfers to 6 per statement cycle. Exceeding this limit might incur a fee or even lead to the account being converted to a checking account. First Internet Bank's money market savings account requires a $100 minimum to open. However, to avoid a monthly service fee of $5, you need to maintain an average daily balance of $4,000. This is a crucial point to consider, as a $4,000 minimum balance might be a barrier for some savers, especially those just starting out or keeping smaller amounts in their MMA. This fee can quickly erode your interest earnings if you don't meet the requirement. In terms of fees and minimums, CIT Bank appears to be the most accessible with its low opening deposit and generally fee-free structure for its money market account. Patriot Bank requires careful checking of their specific terms, and First Internet Bank has a higher balance requirement to waive its monthly fee, which could be a drawback for some. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.